Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 seniors in the U.S. has prediabetes, and most don't even know it? If you've been struggling with high blood sugar, waking up tired, or feeling that your body just doesn't respond to insulin the way it used to, you're not alone. In the United States, more than 37 million adults are living with diabetes, and seniors are the fastest growing group facing this challenge. And here's the part that hits hardest. Blood sugar instability at night can quietly damage the body while you sleep. But what if something as simple as drinking a cup of clove water before bed could give your body extra support? Stay with me, because in this video we're going to uncover how this simple spice, boiled in warm water, can reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, protect your liver, and even strengthen your bones. And if you make it to the end, I'll share one surprising benefit for your dental health that most people have never even heard of. But before we go deeper, let me warmly invite you, if you care about your health, if you want to learn more simple yet science-backed ways to live better as a senior, then please hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss any of the health tips we share here on CureCloud. Now let's get into it. The first benefit of drinking clove water at bedtime is its ability to reduce inflammation. Seniors with diabetes often face hidden, low-grade inflammation in their bodies. This kind of inflammation makes it harder for insulin to work properly, which means sugar stays in the blood instead of moving into the cells. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that cloves contain compounds like eugenol that reduce inflammatory markers. Think of it as cooling down the fire inside the body that's interfering with your blood sugar control. Many seniors I've worked with notice less swelling in their joints and a lighter feeling in their body after adding clove water to their bedtime routine. The second powerful benefit is the antioxidant power of cloves. When blood sugar stays high for too long, it produces free radicals that damage cells, including the eyes, kidneys, and blood vessels. Seniors especially are vulnerable to this oxidative stress, but cloves are one of the richest dietary sources of antioxidants, ranking even higher than blueberries in some studies. By drinking clove water, you're giving your body a natural shield against free radical damage, which not only protects your organs, but can help slow down some of the aging processes linked to diabetes. The third benefit is liver support. Your liver plays a central role in managing blood sugar by storing and releasing glucose as needed. But in people with diabetes, the liver can become fatty or overworked, making the problem worse. Cloves have been shown in laboratory and animal studies to reduce fat buildup in the liver and improve its function. A healthy liver means better glucose regulation throughout the day and night. So while you sleep, your liver isn't flooding your body with excess sugar, it's keeping things balanced. The fourth benefit, and one many seniors don't expect, is stronger bones. You see, diabetes isn't just about sugar. It also weakens the bones and increases fracture risk. This is where cloves come in. Studies suggest that eugenol and other compounds in cloves support bone density and improve the uptake of essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. For seniors who may already be facing osteoporosis or arthritis, this is an important hidden benefit. A small daily habit like sipping clove water at night may help keep your bones stronger and more resilient over time. Now let's talk about the fifth and perhaps most exciting benefit: stabilizing blood sugar and improving insulin sensitivity. In 2022, a study published in the Journal of Food Biochemistry found that clove extracts improved glucose uptake into muscle cells, making insulin more effective. This means your cells can actually use sugar instead of letting it sit in your blood. That's a major win for anyone dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. For seniors whose insulin sensitivity naturally declines with age, this effect can make a real difference in daily energy, mood, and long-term health. Before we get to that lovely hidden benefit I promised, let's pause for a second. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you. Your health matters, and by watching this, you're already taking action for yourself or your loved ones. If you're finding this topic useful, chances are you'll enjoy other videos on my channel, Cure Cloud, where I cover similar senior health issues. So take a second now, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep learning together. Now let me reveal that final surprising benefit of clove water, something many people overlook: dental health. For centuries, cloves have been used in dentistry to reduce toothache and gum inflammation. Recent studies confirm that clove extracts fight oral bacteria that cause gum disease and cavities. And here's the best part. You can even swish cooled clove water in your mouth before swallowing it to fight oral bacteria, freshen your breath, and soothe inflamed gums. Seniors who often deal with dentures, gum irritation, or dry mouth can find this especially comforting. So, how do you make clove water at home? It's simple. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves, boil them in a cup of water for about 5 minutes, then let it cool slightly before drinking. You can enjoy it warm before bedtime. For best results, make it a nightly habit, but don't overdo it. Just 1 small cup is enough. Imagine this. As you sleep, your body is calmer, inflammation is lower, your liver is supported, your bones are stronger, and your blood sugar isn't swinging wildly. And in the morning, your mouth feels fresher too. That's the quiet power of clove water. So, seniors, what do you think? Would you be willing to try this simple bedtime drink for a week and see how you feel? Let me know in the comments. Just type yes if you'd give it a try.